Hi everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations, coming on today with some happy mail. I got some happy mail from my friend Christine, who designs with me for My Creative Time. Her name is Shabby Pink. I'll have her channel linked down below. I am just so grateful and thankful that she sent me these beautiful, and I do mean beautiful, flowers that she created using the strawberry flowers die plate from My Creative Time. I believe that's what she used. I hope I'm not getting it wrong. But anyways, I'll have her link down below. So make sure you go over, subscribe. Anyway, so let me show you these beautiful flowers, but I'm going to start out with this gorgeous little card. Oh, just too cute. So cute. And look, she even put some like glossy accents on top. I hope you can see that. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. And she used You Are Very Special, and then she also used one of the doily dies behind that. And this is her 3x3 card from My Creative Time, and it says Thinking of You. I love this, but let me just show you a little bit more close of these flowers. Oh my gosh, they are gorgeous, and there's so many of them. I'm so excited, so excited. Look at those flowers. Oh my gosh, just so pretty. And so I'll be able to use these on some of my Creative Time items that I'll be coming up and showing you soon. So love those. But anyways, make sure you go over, subscribe to Shabby Pink House. She does an amazing job, as well as My Creative Time. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.